With Bishop live inside of our team training where we are live Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So today is actually day 2 of our series on how to use HighLevel for your multi-level marketing program. Okay. So lots of people, you know that if you've ever been involved with network marketing, multi-level marketing, MLMs, they're all the same thing, right? Most of your income is going to come from your recruits, okay? Recruiting people to then resell, and you build out your team, and then you move up the ranks in your company. That is by far the best way. You also can do the same process with affiliate marketing, okay? Now, I am looking at this as a basically just a case study, right? So I am not in multi-level marketing, but I just started using a product that I'm pretty happy with. And so it is multi-level marketing. And I thought, what a great way. If I was going to use this product here and I wanted to build a business from this product, I could use HighLevel to build my team, right? I would want to create my own HighLevel agency. And I would want to build a system like I'm showing you to build, because when I get affiliates and I get, people who want to resell the product, then I can give them everything that they need right away so that they can start earning. Okay, really, with multi-level marketing, you only have about 3 months for them to start making money and being successful. Otherwise, they just kind of give up. Okay, what I showed you yesterday is kind of an overview of the website. I just want to quickly remind you, and I'm going to show you here. This is actually really cool, and an example as well, how you can use HighLevel for your team. Okay, so North Star is the example product that we're using in this training series. And you can see that the North Star back office, you can actually just add a tab to your HighLevel agency. This is HighLevel here that I'm showing you. So you can just add a tab here and then embed the actual back office. Okay, so you can see, lots of these, this is obviously my agency account, okay, because I didn't want to make this give this access to everyone. I just wanted to use this as an example. But if this was let's say that I was promoting North Star, this is going to be my main business opportunity, and I wanted to build a program so that North Star affiliates could be successful. That's a great bonus to sign up with me. But you can also provide this for other North Star affiliates, okay? They don't even really have to be on your team. You could charge a membership for them, or you could, and just give your people free, right? Or maybe a discount or something like that, right? So there's lots of opportunities. So you can see having them log into your HighLevel agency, that's actually what it is, but really it's just a white label SaaS, right? So having one place where they can log in and get access to all their onboarding and get access to their North Star back office and, any training resources that you may have provided for them, you can create your own custom tabs here just like I did, okay? So HighLevel is an excellent way to create a duplicatable system based on the business that you are passionate about, okay? Like I said, this is exactly what I would do if I was making North Star my main business that I wanted to build a business around, right? But like I said, you don't have to, these people, the North Star affiliates, they don't have to just be on your team to benefit from this, okay? You could actually network, and I'm going to show you on Thursday how we would want to position this to then become the North Star Training Central, right? Because that's basically what we are. We're a training central for this multi-level marketing company. We're providing all of these resources and everything. And this is how you really niche down and create a business that you're passionate about. You choose an opportunity or a group of people that you want to serve, and then you provide solutions for them. Okay. So this is really cool that this embeds here. I just wanted to show you that. I thought that was great. Okay, so let's do just a brief walkthrough, because I did show you this website yesterday, but I made some changes to it. So this is, okay, we talked about the MLM and how we want to choose like the highlighted products or the signature products, okay? And we also want to create an opt-in page, because in multi-level marketing, we don't ever want to just go to Facebook and say, hey, we're promoting North Star, sign up with me. Okay. And it's just the same with affiliate marketing, right? So what I've done here is I've just created this simple, opt-in page so that it encourages them to get more information. Okay. And then when you click here, and then they fill out the form, it's actually going to go into the CRM. Okay. So again, this is like, we're providing massive value for the people who sign up for us, right? It's a done for you system. All right. But also not just that, but they also need a website. Okay. Because they need to share the information. So it's great to have them register, because then that's going to get them into our CRM. It's going to trigger automations that I'm going to show you today, to make sure that we are really maximizing that lead that we just got that's interested in our product. Okay. This is easily, and I talked yesterday too about creating snapshots and how we can create this sample account, and then every single person that we sign up, we can actually load the snapshot into their account. So they already have this website, they already have the campaigns, they already have any courses that we have. All of those things are already built into their account when you create a snapshot. Okay, so I'm going to show you this page here as well, because we used custom values, and you can see that I added a few things up here to make it look more like the actual website. So if I go, let me open it incognito, or actually, I could just click here and show you. I actually added the North Star logo, but as an affiliate, and again, if this is your MLM that you're promoting, you need to check their terms and see what they require. With North Star, they do want you to say that you are an independent affiliate. Okay, so what I've done is I just took the North Star logo, I just extracted it from the website, and then I added some text here, independent affiliate, and then I added an auto tag, okay, or a custom value of the location owner's first name, okay, or the location name. All right. So no matter, this is not something we need to manually do, right? As soon as they, have their account, it's going to have their location name, and it's going to auto populate this info. Okay. So we're not having to customize that. Again, this is a great thing to have for multi-level marketing. Okay. Also, what I've done is I've created a menu up here that is actually the exact website. I mean, it's not exact. I tried to get it as close as possible, but you can see if I click the home button here, it actually goes to the main North Star website, okay? But you can also see that it's very similar, okay? When people click on it, they don't feel like they just bounced off onto another website. It's just very similar. Of course, it's not exact, but you can also see here that when we click on About, it takes us there, right? Now, the cool thing is within the menu, you can add custom values as well, okay? Because cookies are very volatile. I always recommend, whether it's affiliate marketing or multi-level marketing, when you're using something that depends on them to sign up, you always want to make sure that you're capturing the lead, or you're signing them up, or somehow you're making sure that that cookie actually goes to you. So I like to tell my affiliates, if you want to make sure you're on my team, use an incognito window, open that up, and then you'll see you'll be more likely to get credit, right? So what I've done here, and let me go into the actual edited website, because I'm going to show you what's cool about that. And we talked again about the custom values. I'm going to show you here in just a second. But you create a custom value, okay? And then you are able to put with the affiliate number, okay? So this whole, after I walk through this process, I'm going to show you how to actually set all of this up. But when you're doing your menu here, you can actually just put in, like, let's go to the menu, so the home key. You can see that I just set the home button in the menu to go to a website URL, and then I added the main website, but you can see right here that custom value. Okay, I'm just going to cancel out of that. I don't want to save it. But you can see the custom value. Okay, so what that does is no matter what link you put all throughout the website, you can always add this here. And then there's one place where we're going to update the affiliate code. All right, and then it's going to auto-populate on every website anywhere that we have this custom value added. Okay. So just to show you a real life example here, if I click in home, you can see that when it opens up, it has the referral link here. Okay, so super cool. All right. So let me get out of this. All right. So that is the main website. Okay, now you can see here also that what we're doing is we are sending to the Facebook group. Okay, now multi-level marketing, they always have a Facebook group. If you plan on growing your own business, it's definitely better to have your own Facebook group. Even if even if North Star already has a group, you may, as you get a huge, levels, multi levels and a huge team, you may want to create your own group. So you could do that here. But if you're new, you definitely want to just send the people back to the group. Okay, so we're thinking about what would our affiliates who sign up, what would they need? They really need to go back to the group because these people that reach this page have not purchased yet. Okay. Now, what's really cool is this is a standalone website. You don't have to go through the registration first. So in our marketing, we can always send them back here once we have their email address, because really that's all we need is their email address before we show them what the actual product is. Because once they see the product, they're going to go Google, they're going to look on YouTube, they're going to look on all these things, right? So we at least want to capture their email address. And you can also, when they go to join the group, what we're going to do in the onboarding is we're going to send them back to the group because we want to make sure that our affiliates are getting the support, but also there's testimonials in there. They can ask questions in there. So if I'm a brand new affiliate and I'm using this website, I want them to go back to the group. And that's usually what MLM people will tell you is invite them to the group, and then we'll help you sell, and then you can get the commission, right? So we definitely want to send them back to the group. All right, but we also want them to know about the products, right? So we just have the flagship products here, and then when you click here, it actually takes you to the exact page, but you can see here that since we added the custom value to that button, that it actually has the code, the affiliate code. Okay, so that is just literally a button with the link, just like I showed you in the menu. Okay, so if I go and I show you this button here, you can see it's the link to the product, and then you have the custom value. Okay, so this is what the funnel is going to look like. Okay, so it's just we're inviting to the Facebook group. Of course, we have all of these other opportunities here. There's also I added the custom value to the create the account, and you'll see that it says right here, Bridget will be your referring affiliate. Okay, so you can literally see that I tried my best to replicate this website and put the cookies or the custom value so that the cookies are basically all over the place. We want to capture that as much as possible. Okay. So that is the complete website. Okay, so this is exactly what I would create and what I am creating, because even though this is not my niche, what I want to do since I created the system is now on Thursday, I'm going to show you how you can go find all the people promoting North Star who would love everything that we just created, this automated system. Okay, so we talked about the website. Now let me close out of this. All right, now, once people, like I just was talking about the group, once people they opt into our funnel. Okay, so we have their contact information, they're going to go directly into our CRM. Okay, and what that's going to do is trigger a series of automations. Okay, so you can see that I've created some automations here, and of course this is a sample. You could build this out as big or small and complex as possible, but what I really wanted to do is create a very simple system so that it is very user friendly for someone who's not techie. Okay, so up to this point, there's really nothing else that needs to be involved. I'm going to show you there's only 3 steps that need to be done to actually customize this for someone's account. Okay, So before I get into this, I'm going to show you some custom values that we create that will customize the account. Okay, so I'm going to go to custom values here, and you'll see that there's only two. Okay, so we need the custom value, the link to the home page. Okay, that is the page that we're going to send them to after they've opted in. Okay, because we're going to use that link again in our follow-up campaign, but we want to make sure that this is the affiliate's custom value. So once the domain is connected, and you can connect your domain here, okay, by clicking here in their instructions. All right, now if you're the agency, you may want to create a subdomain of your agency and then allow them to use that. Okay, like I use Bluehost, I could do that and not have to pay for anything. You totally could do that. However, or you could just have them use their own domain, however you want to set that up. Okay. Now, for the SMTP, that is them connecting their own email address. Okay. So you do have some options here. They can use their Gmail, their Yahoo, SendGrid, or any other SMTP provider. Maybe they're using Bluehost, they want to connect their professional domain, or you could use Mailgun, or if you're the agency and you want to provide a email address for them to be able to use, maybe if you're a SaaS owner, HighLevel SaaS owner, you have the ability to rebill for emails. So maybe you want to set this up for them. Again, you have total flexibility with HighLevel to do that. Okay. So connecting their email address and connecting their domain. Okay. And then once that is done, you simply just need to go to the custom values and then just paste, because these will be loaded in the snapshot. Okay, so it will say homepage URL, it will have this custom value, and then you will just need to go here and then paste in the members, or your onboarding course will explain to them what they need to do to get their account set up. Okay, so there's multiple ways of doing it, however you want to be involved. So all you would need to do, or instruct them to do, is paste the homepage of their URL, or the homepage of their website here. Okay, that once their domain is connected, and then also their affiliate code. Okay, so the affiliate code that they get from North Star. All right, now that is actually, it's really easy to find as well. I think if you go to replicated website, you'll see the code. Okay, actually, let me log back in here. So you will see the code here that needs to go at the end of all the links. Okay, so all you need to do is copy that, and then you can go and then paste it here. Okay, so what that's going to do is, again, that's really where the magic happens. That's what turns the website funnel template into a custom affiliate template, or, for your multi-level marketing, okay, to ensure that they get credit for the sale. All right. So that's all that you have to do to customize. And then all of these automations that I'm getting ready to show you are going to take place. Okay. So I'm going to go to automations. And the first one I'm going to go to is the leads, because that's actually the first step. Okay. So if you think someone has filled out our form, okay, the North Star form that's on the opt-in page that I just showed you, and then we want it to create an opportunity in our sales pipeline. Okay. So what is the sales pipeline? I've talked to you, or I've done lots and lots of training on sales pipelines, but let me go and show you. This is just really simple. I just have this one pipeline, and it basically is just being able to track whether someone is a lead, a customer, or an affiliate. Okay, so when you create your sales pipeline, and again, this is going to automatically load into the snapshot when you create it. Okay. So really, it doesn't matter, whatever your niche is, whether it's MLM, affiliate marketing, or an agency or whatever, this can be used in the same way, right? So the snapshot will automatically load. Then you have your workflows here. Okay, so I'm going to go to the leads first. And as soon as they fill out the form, this is what's going to happen, right? So they're going to automatically filling out that form makes you a contact in our CRM. Okay. And then we want to create an opportunity. So we're using the North Star pipeline. That's the only one we have in this account. And then we want to make this a lead. Okay. So we're saying that when they fill this out, the card in our pipeline, we want them to be in the lead stage because they have not purchased anything from us yet, right? Now we can also give the opportunity to name. I'm just going to add contact first name, but you could also, if you wanted to go to contact email, maybe you want to have their name and email address, however you want to set that up. You could also do the opportunity source, like maybe you want to type in leads, or maybe you can actually go to the contact, and if you scroll down here, you'll see the contact source, and then that will tell you exactly how they signed up. You can also assign a value, but again, this is just a lead. They have not purchased from us, and that's why our status is going to be open, okay? Because they have not made a sale, okay? They're just a lead, all right? So we're going to save. Now, we need to send them an email, okay? Because we have their email address. So the way that this workflow is set up, it's going to automatically, as soon as they submit this form, it's going to send them an email address. And what we want to do is we want to share with them information about the products, okay? So the very first product we're going to talk about is the NCT capsules, right? Because that's the main thing. And you can see here that we are sending them to the Facebook group to that specific video. Okay. So if you look at the Facebook group, if you're just like, I don't even know what I would say, well, you want to first go to the flagship product. And if you go to the guides, and every group is different, so you definitely want to, see what resources they have here. I don't know why Facebook is taking a while to load, but you can see right away, how do I get started? But remember, these people are just leads. So we don't want to tell them how to get started taking the product because they haven't even bought it yet. We don't even know what product they want to buy. Okay. So maybe we want to just, again, we want to send them information, right? So we could send them this NCT video. Okay. So I'm going to click here. I want to pause that, and then I can just click here and then share the link. Okay. So that's what I want to add to my outgoing campaign. So now what's happening is they are filling out the form, and then now I'm sending them. Remember, the thank you page had the button to join the Facebook community, but I'm also sending them all of these videos from the Facebook group. So the whole goal of this whole campaign is to make sure they're in the group, and also to share with them information that maybe they didn't have time to look at the website, maybe they didn't really understand some things. So now it's my job to tell them more about the product they were already interested in. Okay. You can see that I've also used auto tags here for the location name and the location email. So no matter who we upload this snapshot to, it's going to go to, it's going to have their name and email address. Okay, so it's like an auto tag. It's going to pre-fill that. Now you can see here also if you'd like to purchase the product at a special discount, and the discount is you can save $20 by putting it on recurring membership, right? So you can actually click here and you'll see this is the URL for that thank you page. Okay, so this is a custom value that whatever link is in that custom value that I just showed you for the home page, it's going to go back to their website. Okay, so we're sending them back to their own website with their own domain. Okay, so this is actually at the bottom of every email that I have created here. Okay, so again, we're waiting 24 hours. Okay, what's really cool is you can tell one person is waiting. They've already opted in here. Okay, now we have another email here. So what are the benefits of NCT powder? Okay, NCT powder is the next product. So I copied and pasted information from the website into the email because I want to explain to them what the product is. And then I'm saying I've attached a product brochure, and I've actually done this with all of the emails. And then you can also grab the product brochure from the group. Okay, so again, lots of multi-level marketing. A lot of them have the same types of resources. So all I've done is literally download the PDF, and then I've added it to this email as an attachment. So you can see here what the first email looks like. So it's just saying, "Hey, Bridget." So it put in the contact name, and then it has our information about that, and then it also has the link to the video and the Facebook group, and then it says, "See you in the group," and then it pre-filled the account owner name. It pre-filled my account owner email address. It also says, if you'd like to purchase this product at a special discount, click here, and then it also attached the the brochure about the NCT capsules. Okay, so we are giving them lots of information about the product, again, that they've already opted in, wanting more info. Okay. So, let me go back to my workflow. So that is the gist, okay, of this whole campaign. All right. So you can see I have another one here. Let them eat cake with no guilt. I thought that was a cool subject line. I do want to stop just a second and say hello to Terry and Linwood and Floyd and Maria. Thank you so much for joining me live. Terry says, yes, this will change a lot of reps' lives. I think so, Terry. I'm really excited. I know that you have a lot of experience in network marketing. And so I think, oh my gosh, if I was doing a multi-level marketing opportunity, I would totally set up HighLevel exactly like I'm showing you. That's why I'm really excited. Okay. So, so again, we're sending them back to the link to the specific video. And again, this is something that's so important when you are onboarding with any type of product like this. Okay. You don't want to just keep sending them back to the group. Send them the actual info that they need about the product. They already asked for more info, right? So you want to show them that you're a professional, okay, that you take your business seriously. That will actually help them trust the product even more if they see that you have a professional setup like this, okay? And then again, we have our please click here, and then that goes to our custom value thank you page, okay? So basically, we're just sending them an email every single day. Okay. Now, that is just for a lead. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I don't want to save anything. So would they actually make a purchase? Okay. And we're going to click here. Now you'll see that what triggers this is actually a tag. Okay. So this is getting into where we want to train our users to actually use the system. Okay, so if you are, this is also why this is so great for multi-level marketing, because even though, a lot of multi-level marketing companies are not like techie people, right? A lot of network marketers, they're great at, networking, talking to people and, referring different things. And they may not be very techie, and just like local business clients are not very techie. So we want to create a system that's easy for the member to use. Okay. So I'm going to show you in just a second how easy that is for the member to use. Okay. So contact tag. Okay. So what we want to do is how we're setting this up is when the user, okay, the affiliate of our multi-level marketing company is trying to organize their leads. Okay. They've come into the CRM. Now they've just received an email from, North Star saying Linda Lou purchased the NCT capsules. Okay. Well, we need to tell Linda Lou now what she needs to do to take the capsules, right? What are the best practices? What time of day? How many capsules? Should you take it on an empty stomach? Should you take it on a full stomach? All these things people want to know when they're signing up for, or when they're purchasing a product. Okay. So we definitely, again, it gives us a great opportunity to reach out to them. But we also want to update our sales pipeline. Okay. Because the sales pipeline is really what we're going to be working out of every day. Okay. And again, I'll show you that in just a second. So I have created our opportunity. We're choosing our pipeline here. This is going to be in the customer stage because they've already made a purchase now. We're going to, you can add the opportunity name. Of course, this can be customized as your business, but what's cool is this is going to automatically pull that in. We're going to have the opportunity source as NCT capsules. That way we know, which product they purchased. We can add a lead value there. So, again, you could get as advanced as you want to. You could create NCT capsules for one time or NCT capsules for recurring, and then you could add your commission here, and then that will actually update your sales pipeline and your dashboard to let you know how much money you're actually making from this specific product. There's so many things that you can do, but for the sake of making this simple, we're going to leave this just blank. Okay. But we're going to change the status to 1 because again, this is something that this is actually a customer that we're making money from. Okay. So as soon as we tag that profile, okay, it's going to, if we tag that profile with this specific tag, NCT capsules, it's automatically going to update our sales pipeline. It's automatically going to send an email to them that says instructions to take your NCT capsules. It's going to explain to them what to take. And then again, we're sending them to a video within the Facebook group, right? Because we want to keep them going back to the group because, again, not only can they see the other testimonials and then network with other people who are using the products, but the group can also help us in answering a lot of the questions when we are unavailable. Okay, so definitely want to send them back to the group. And of course, we're using custom values for the location, name, and email. Okay. And then again, we want to wait 3 days because we want to give them a chance to check out the product, right? So this is the same standard workflow for every single product. So if you decided to put the whole store and create separate tags and everything, you totally could do that. I just did this for the main 3 products. So we want to give them the opportunity because remember, they've just purchased this for the first time. Okay. So we want to give them instructions. We want to wait 3 days because we want to make sure that they've had the opportunity to use the product. And then we want to send them information about the opportunity. Okay. And so this is just saying, I hope you're enjoying your experience with North Star. Like most people, you likely already told your family and friends how great you feel. What if you could earn income from sharing? And then I'm sending them again back to the Facebook group to the specific video that talks about the commission structure and recruiting and all of that. Okay. And then I'm adding the custom values here so that it will, customize every email. Okay. So that is the basic workflow for every single product. So if we were looking at like Summer Vibes, which is the NCT powder, we just have the Summer Vibes tag. So this is going to trigger if we add this tag. Okay. And then again, it's going to update the opportunity. It's going to send the instructions of how to use it. It's going to send them to a video here. We're going to wait 3 days and let them try it. And then we're going to talk about the opportunity for referring. Okay. Same thing here. We'll just go through real quickly just so that you can recognize the pattern here. We're starting with a tag that says Pandora. We're updating the sales opportunity pipeline and we are sending an email with instructions on how to take it. We're waiting 3 days to give them the opportunity to try it. And then we're talking about how they can earn from referring and sending them right back to the Facebook group. Okay, so hopefully you recognize the pattern there. Okay. So we've created sales pipelines, created the website, all of those things. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to actually show you, let's test this out here. Okay. I am going to, so I am the affiliate. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this. I'm going to actually open this in a incognito window because I think it might be a sticky form. I don't want it to pick something up. Okay, so here is the leads experience. Okay, so we're going to say, let me go ahead and just choose this email address and we are logging in. Okay, so again, you could register someone, and I did a training on affiliate marketing a couple of weeks ago where you may want to, if you're talking on Facebook, you may want to enter their info in for them, or you may just want to send them the link. Okay, so if you enter the info for them and they're already in your system, you can send them this page here. But if you're just posting your link on social media, you want to give them the link to register. Okay. So here is what they're going to see. So we have the, basically our website, right? So likely they're not going to purchase, right? But they may join the Facebook group because they want more info. If they bounce around here, everything is linked to you. Okay. So that's what they see on their end. Now they're also going to get an email that sends them to, sends them the automations like I just showed you. All right. Now, if you go to your contacts, all right, now you'll see we have a new contact here. Okay. So this is what happens from your point of view. All right. So we've sent an email. We have our contact info. We can actually look in the thread now and we can see that they actually did receive an email. We can tell where our lead was located, where it came from and how they, what website in our system were they actually on, which is really great because if you have a very large website and, maybe they visited, one type of services or products or whatever, this gives you the opportunity to kind of see what they're interested in, without actually having to ask them, which is definitely helpful in the sales process. Okay. So this is great also because all of the communications that you now have with this person are going to be in your conversations tab. Okay. So whether they're texting you or they are emailing or Facebook Messenger or Instagram or Google My Business, all of these conversations are going to be in this tab here. Okay. So let's say that I just got an email, okay, from the multi-level marketing company, and it says that Bridget just purchased NCT capsules. Okay. So what I want to do is type in NCT capsules, and I'm just going to add that tag. Okay. So when I add that tag, it's going to trigger the automation, and then I'm going to receive, first I want to save. Okay. And then I'm going to receive an email that's going to say, here you go, instructions to take your NCT capsules. Okay. And then it's going to have the video that I'm sending here. And if you go to opportunities, you'll see that there is an actual opportunity here. And of course, you can update these things manually if you want to. You can see that this person, here's the first name, here's the email address. They were added to our pipeline, the stage customers, and then one, and we have the NCT capsules, and the lead value is 0. Okay. Another place that we could look at that is in the opportunities tab. And you'll see that we have North Star chosen, okay, but we want to look at all of the opportunities. So you'll see a little card here for customers, okay, because I was a lead and then I actually became a customer. All right. So you can see here, this is really, really great when you want to follow up with your leads or you want to see, again, how much money you're actually making, things like that. Okay. Now, if I wanted to update this person, okay, all I would need to do is click there and you can see I can access any of these things. Like maybe I want to add another tag because they also purchased the summer vibes. Okay. I could also add a tag there and then click update. And then now it will send an email about the summer vibes. Okay. So if we go now to our, if we go to contacts and click here, you can see now we had summer vibes, and we've also sent an email about summer vibes, which is the NCT powder. Okay. So what I'm really excited about is all your user has to do is look at this screen right here. Okay. All of the automations are completely taken care of. All they have to do is look at the sales pipeline. And if they, again, if they get an email, Linda Lou or Bridget, for example, signed up or they purchased NCT capsules or they purchased summer vibes, all the user has to do is go to the profile and then add a tag. Okay. That's all they have to do. Now, let's say that Bridget decides that she wants to become an affiliate and then she starts making sales. Okay. So what I want to do is add an affiliate tag here. Okay. And then now I know, because I'm updating the sales pipeline, I know that Bridget is now an affiliate. Okay. Because we definitely, I actually set this up so that it can be in 2 different cards because maybe some people are promoting or whatever. And then I will need now the affiliate is what I'm going to talk about tomorrow, because an affiliate is someone who's decided they want to resell. So now we have a whole separate campaign and automation that we need to create that has the onboarding info for the affiliates. Okay, how do they set up their account? How do they access their dashboard? How, information about the rewards and building a team and all of those things, right? Because this is where we're going to invite them in and then start training them, and we need to provide resources for them. So tomorrow I'm going to show you how to actually create that membership area where you can provide all of these resources for them, and like I said, info how to get them onboarded. Because really what we want is, when we decide that now we have an affiliate, we want to just tag affiliate, and then we want them to have access to everything. We don't want to actually be sending manual emails or videos or all of these things, right? So that's what I'm going to show you how to do tomorrow. Okay, so that is really all I had for you today. Remember, if you want to join Vision Marketing and Design, you can go to my Vision agency. It looks like I don't have my website pulled up here, but you can see in the top of the screen, myvisionagency.com. I have actually created a program where I have combined. I'm actually a reseller for different companies, so like Go HighLevel, Tier 5, Genius Messenger CRM, and I've actually created a program and added live trading, social media templates, over 85,000 white label products. If you want to get started, you can go here. You can check out all of the plans as a member. If you would like to create your own HighLevel account, or you would like to resell Tier 5 or Genius Messenger CRM, you can choose from one of these plans. This is my affiliate link. I do offer bonuses, as you can see, for each opportunity here. You cannot just join. I get this question a lot. You cannot just join and then resell tools, okay? If you want to become a reseller, you need to become a partner with each of these companies of the tools that you want to resell. Now, you don't have to do them all, okay? But if you want to resell HighLevel, you need to join HighLevel, okay? If you want to resell Tier 5 tools, you need to join Tier 5. If you want to resell Genius Messenger, you need to join the Genius Messenger reseller, okay? However, if you just want to use all of the tools, you can join here as well. And you can actually click here to create a free trial. Okay. So again, thank you so, so much. I will see you all tomorrow. Same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality. Bye.